girls, do you know when it's writing time, you transform, just like how the Veggie Monster transforms? You're not boys and girls anymore. Do you know what you become? Writers. So I'm going to call you writers, because you're a writer, just like George McClements. You ready, writers?
Yeah.
Okay, can you put your stories to the side? Because I don't want you to mess it up like this. Okay, I'll put it to the side. Okay, nice. So writers, can I have everyone's attention? All right. Writers, guess what? Today we're going to do something just like the author, George McClements. We're going to try and write a story just like him. And my friend Felix noticed something so cool about the writer. These bold, like big words. And someone else noticed how the mom and dad, they're talking in the story, right, with a speech bubble. So I was thinking today that we want to try in our stories to see if your people, the characters, are they talking? Can we use a speech bubble?
Yeah.
So today I want to show you how we can be a writer like George McClements by using speech bubbles to make our characters come alive. And that way, I can see like what's happening in your stories. Okay, so let me show you. You ready? Watch me. Let me have everyone's attention. Watch me. Okay, here's my story. On a hot sunny day, I went to the park with my sister, Crystal. I was so excited to try the super slide because it was very scary.
What's the super slide?
Very scary. I saw the super slide, but was feeling nervous to try it. Suddenly, I climbed up, sat down, and put my hands up. And then I did it! I went down the slide. Whee! I was so proud of myself. So, writers, I'm going to think here. How can I make my story like George McClements? Because today I wanted to focus on the speech bubbles. In here, was I talking to my sister? Let me see. I remember. I was telling my sister here, I'm so excited to go on the super slide. So, I'm going to add speech bubble here, and I'm going to say, I was so excited to go on the super slide. And then I can grab this and then put it in my words.
What?
So see, I said, I am so excited. Like that. And then here I can add it to my words. I shouted, I am so excited. Did you see that, writers?
Yeah.
And then even on the next page, let me see. Did I have something on the next page? Oh, I saw the super slide, but was feeling nervous to try it. I didn't say anything there. Suddenly, I climbed up, sat down, and put my hands up. And then I did it. I went down the slide. I was so proud of myself. Oh, writers here, do you know what Miss Courtney said when I was going down? Ah! I was screaming ah! As I went down the slide. So, did you see what I did, writers? I thought, is there anywhere in my story that I can be like George McClements and add dialogue? Let me check, because I want you to try it. Can you look at your stories that you brought to the carpet, and can you think, and I'm going to give you a little speech bubble, okay? Can you think, is there anywhere in my story that I can add one of my characters talking? Because I'm going to make them come to life. Okay, read your stories right now to yourself. Okay, read your stories. If you don't have any words, you have pictures. You know how your stories go. You can read it. Okay, nice, Jesus. All right. tell your story with your pictures. Here you go. I'm sorry. Remember to blow your nose and you do it right away. Right away. All right. Thank you. Yeah, just one. And then you can move it around. And kind of move mine around. Jeremy. Sorry. Tell me your story. One day. What did you say? Let's see. Okay, are you going to talk some more? Let's see. You went to the movie theater and then what? Did you say anything or no? No. Huh? Did you say anything or no? No? Awesome, Jeremy. High five. Writers, I have something to share with you. My friend Jeremy, he shared his story with me. Are you ready to hear it real quick? Okay, put your stories down so you can listen. Jeremy said this. One day, I went to the movie theaters. And he said here, I said, yay! Then I watched the movie. What movie was it, Jeremy?
Super Mario World.
Super Mario World. Then we went home. Right, Jeremy? And I told him, was anybody else talking? He said, no, just in the beginning. I said, awesome job, writer. Can you tell Jeremy? Awesome job, Jeremy. How many of you, are you ready to try this in your writing? So writers, today, at any time you guys are writing, if your characters or your people in your story, they need to talk, to say something, to make them come to life, you can add a speech bubble. And then here, just add it to your words. Thumbs up, who's gonna try it today? Okay, can I see the green row? Can you tippy toe back to your desk with your writing? Tippy toe. Shh.